Okay, welcome back children. So let us continue with exercise 1.2. Today we will learn how to do question number 15. So first of all, let's read the question. Mohan is designing a picture frame. He wants the frame to be 3.5 cm wide. The size of the photo to be framed is 20 cm by 15 cm. So there is a photo and we have to put a frame around the picture, around the photo. So in this way, there is a picture here. This is the photo of 20 cm in length and 15 in breadth. So this is the length and this is breadth. Now they are putting a frame around the picture in this way. This is the frame, which should be 3.5. The width of the frame from the picture will be 3.5 cm. Okay. Now, what should be the length and width of the frame? So, what should be the length and the width of the frame with the photo? They are asking this. So, first of all, we must write given. What is given here? Length of the photo, that is 20 cm. Breadth of the photo, that is 15 cm. Now we have to find out the length of the frame. Now see, the frame is bigger than the photo. This is the frame, this is the photo. The frame is bigger than the photo. Now how much big is it? So 20 cm is the length of the photo. From here it is 3.5 more, and from here also 3.5 cm more. So what we have to do, 20 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. So here we will get 20 plus 3 plus 3, 6, half plus half 1. So 7. 27 cm is the length of the frame, and width or breadth is same thing. Breadth of the frame will go same way, because the breadth is also greater than the photo's breadth. Okay, breadth of the frame is greater than the photo's breadth by 3.5 from both the sides. So 15 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. Now if we add it here, we'll get 15 plus 7, that is 22 centimeter. Yes, so this is the length and the width of the frame which we were asked to find. That is what we have to do in question number 15. Okay? Okay children. So now let us continue question number 16. Mr. Sharma earns rupees 25,000 per month. So first of all, this is an information given. So we can write here salary of Mr. Sharma. It is 25,000 rupees, 25,000 per month. Okay. He spends 10,000 1/4 on house rent. So house rent, what is his house rent? Rupees 10,000 whole 1/4. This is a mixed fraction. We must change it into improper fraction. So 4 into 1, 10,000 is 40,000 plus 1. So it will be 40,000 plus 1, 41,000 by 4. This is the house rent. Now there is groceries expenses. Groceries expenses equals to 5,000 whole 2/3. We will also change this one. For 5,000 into 3 is 15,000 plus 2, 15,002 by 3. This is groceries expenses, and Mr. Sharma is paying for his child's education. So what are the expenses over here? 2,500 whole 3/5. So if we multiply this here, it will change into, so it will become 12,503 by 5. So this is child's education. Okay. Now the question is asking how much money is spent in total. So how much money he is spending. So his expenses, we need to add all his expenses, right? His expenses are house rent, that is 41,000 by 4, plus groceries 15,002 by 3 plus 12,503 by 5. Now we'll make their denominator same and add these fractions. Okay, so let's see how we can make the denominator same by finding out the LCM. Or we can also do one thing, we can divide it and then we can just add. So let's divide and add it. So this will become 10,000.25 plus the second one will become 5,000.66 plus the third one will become 22,500.6. Now we'll add this 3. So after adding we'll get here 17,501.51. These are his expenses. Okay. So one more question is asked here. What are his savings? That means after spending the money, how much money is he saving per month? So these are his expenses, his savings. To find out his savings, what we will do? We will subtract the total salary. We'll subtract his expenses from the total salary, isn't it? So here 25,000 minus 17,501.51. Why? Because this is the expenses. So let's subtract. So when we'll subtract, we'll get 7,498.49. These are his savings. Okay. So in this way, you will do question number 16 and all other questions which are similar to it. Let's continue with the next question, question number 19. Veena and Reena went for jogging in the morning. Veena ran 2/3 of the track, the total distance, and Reema ran 5/6 of the same track. Who ran more and by how much? So who is running more here? So let us write first Veena's distance is 2/3 of the track and Reema's distance is 5/6 of the track, of the same track. Okay. Who ran more and by how much? So we need to compare these two given fractions. So let us first make the denominators of these two fractions same by finding out the LCM. That is 6. So we will change this one. This will become 2/6. So 4/6 and 5/6. Which is greater? Yes, of course 5/6. So 5/6 is Reema's. So Reema ran more. By how much? We will subtract. That is 1/6. She ran more by 1/6 of the track. This way you will complete number 19.